Welcome guys, Rlaarlo RC. We've got the Rlaarlo AK 917 in red and white, or red and grey I think it is, but it's just arrived. We ordered this on the 15th of March. Let's unbox it, shall we? See what we got. Got some quite impressive stuff in here. I bought an extra spare gear, a metal one. I think that one's a 64 tooth. Chassis saver, bag of accessories, spur gears, pinion gear in there. This is the extra special bit that Rlaarlo gave us for being in the top 500 purchasers. Check it out. A gold plated spur gear on a chain you can wear around your neck. It's a nice touch, really nice touch. Look at that. That's quality, isn't it? So, what else we got in here? We've got the car and the controller. Let's have a look. I did get an email off Rlaarlo saying that the delivery was going to be delayed because they've sorted out some electronic issues and some other issues with the car before they released them. So that's why it's probably about 2 weeks late. Let's get rid of that a minute. There she is. Now, I suppose a lot of people have seen videos from all the guys testing. This is a purchased version. And he's got a metal chassis. Right then, I've got some snips. I'll take the zippy ties off the bottom. In my community tab, I put a question out there. Do you think the Chinese are going to take over from Traxxas and Armour? Feeling the quality of this and looking at the quality of that chassis, I think they might do. They start bringing out some bigger stuff instead of all the little 1/12 scale stuff and that. This company is going to kick ass. Let's leave them for a minute until I get the body off. But yeah, look at the quality of that chassis. Look at the quality of that chassis. I mean, you know, it's pretty good, isn't it? It's all machined off. All nicely machined. Right then. Actually, you don't appreciate how bloody good looking this car is until you see them in real life. Let's just leave that there. Ah, look at this. Yeah. Aluminium machine top there, I think. Spare wheel. Get these out alright. Okay. This one, because it's not the carbon fibre version, got the plastic wheels. Tyres are a bit squishy. And the spare wheels plastic. On the carbon fibre roller they've got aluminium wheels. But yeah, overall pretty impressed. Very nicely done. Aluminium shock tower, Rlaarlo printed on there. They're not quite as thick as the ones that I've seen on the carbon fibre chassis. But yeah, really nicely done. And we've got a 2S LiPo in there that they supplied. 3.3 milliamp hour, 2S LiPo hard case, XT60 on there. So let's do it. Let's do the unveil for this is the best bit about getting a new RC car, peeling the plastic off and unveiling it. Only thing, Rlaarlo screwed that on that. The plastic's still underneath it. You have to take it apart to get that out of there. But yeah. And this one doesn't have the fan in there like the carbon fibre roller does, which takes a 4S battery. Yeah, light bucket, it's all nicely screwed in. Yeah. As you can see, it's quite nice. Yeah, for the money on pre-sale, it's a pretty good bargain, to be absolutely honest. Let's have a look what we got in the bag. There's the goodies, some extras. That's where that's going, in the bin. Take them on for Sundays to charge up. So you've got some wrenches, some more ESC stickers, hold ESC down, spare diff gaskets, spare gears. That's a pinion gear, I believe it's a 40 tooth, it says on the bag. Alright, we've got some stickers, quite nicely done. Nice. Optional parts. We've all seen these, haven't we? Everybody else has gone through all this. But, yeah. Cool. Really nice. This is the desert truck. Now I've seen a photograph of this. It looks quite good. This is the next one's coming out. All the aluminium parts, aluminium wheels. Look quite funky, don't they? So that's that. And obviously got your instruction manual. All seen this before. It's pretty much tracks as sort of orientated the way it's laid out, and all colour, full colour. Yeah, tells you pretty much everything. It's 4-channel transmitter, this one. Dip switches in there, throttle trim, steering trim, throttle rates, normal, reverse, power on and off, and then your channels to turn your lights on. Yeah, it is what it is. See how long it lasts. This one hasn't got the disc brakes encapsulated in the wheels like the carbon fibre one. There you go. Less weight, more speed. Couple of zip ties. Right. I'm really impressed with the gift that they give us. Yeah. I shan't be wearing it. It's not my kind of thing, but yeah, it's a nice touch. That's 52 tooth pinion, gold plated. Don't know what kind of gold it is, but it says it's gold plated. There you go, guys. That's the unboxing of my AK917 from Rlaarlo. If it goes as well as it looks, I think we're in with half a chance. plenty of scope for upgrading these. Yeah. Really nicely done. Yeah. So that's a 3650 43 kV motor in there. Right. Rlaarlo 6-channel receiver. Yeah. Got the aluminium drive shaft. Those sizes for the drive shafts are actually printed on the drive shafts, so if you need to replace them, you can replace them. Really nice, good quality carbon fibre look. Plastic brace at the top there. Yeah, really impressed with it so far. Right. Let's get some batteries in the controller. Have a look with the lights on. Alright guys, we've got it powered up. It's out of the box. 2S LiPo in there. I don't know what these do, but the lights don't turn off with that. And on the carbon fibre ones, they got little flame lights that come out of there. And the rear lights don't indicate like they did on the carbon fibre ones. There's a slight difference in electronics there. Yeah. The fan ramps up slowly and then gets up to speed. I think it's going to be quite cool. I'm looking forward to actually getting it out on the road and seeing what it does. But great British weather. It's raining again, so I won't be doing that until it stops. Right guys, it's Blackmore Vale RC. We'll see you in the next video when we're actually speed running this car on a airfield that's just had a new concrete road put in, which is it's over 1,000 metres long. Obviously the range isn't going to carry it that far, but it gives us plenty of room. So on the next video, cheers guys, take care.